what's in this year's nesting box nest. There they are. Oh, watch out, little flowers. Two beautiful little eggs. Good job, Mama Bird. Back to your nesting box. Hanging basket. Hanging basket nest. Here is last year's little nest. A couple little eggs still in it. Unfortunately, Mama Bird and our Rottweiler met one another in an unexpected way, so Mama Bird didn't make it, and this little nest got to come live in our house. So it just is part of the decor now. Just for fun, another bird nest that blew out of the tree after a windstorm, and an egg, but this one's a turtle egg, so it's hanging out there.